Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to find your Netflix password while you are still logged in. Now in this video we will not need the Netflix app at all we will need is a browser application and an internet connectivity. So go ahead and open your browser and then type in netflix.com. This will take you to the official website of Netflix. Once the website fully loads up, tap on Sign in the top right corner. From here, just tap the email text box and this window should pop up. It has your password in it. If this window does not pop up for you, just follow up with me. Try to type in your email and this should show up right on top of your keyboard. Tap on it. Now, as you can see here, the password was filled automatically. To reveal it, tap on the password text box. And this show message or button should pop up right here. Just tap on it and just like that, the password was revealed. And that is how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.